Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to share with you all one of my favorite go-to dinner ideas for a lazy weeknight, and I have those quite often. Okay, I am going to make chicken and rice the lazy girl way. I don't even know if that's a thing, but that's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to start here with my bone-in chicken thighs. I just simply rinsed and pat dried off camera. Okay, so I'm going to add a little oil onto the chicken. This is going to help those seasonings to stick to the meat and spread around. I am going to use Cajun seasoning, garlic powder, onion powder, black pepper, chicken bouillon powder, and paprika. Okay, then I'm going to flip it over and I'm going to again add a little more oil, and I'm going to season it again with those same seasonings, but this time I'll be sure to get underneath the skin of the chicken. Okay, and I'm just going to massage it really good onto the chicken. I'll be using half of a white onion, half of a green bell pepper, and 2 garlic cloves, 1 can of cream of celery soup, and 4 ounces of room temperature cream cheese. So I'm going to mix these together, set them aside. I'm going to use the saute feature on my pressure cooker. I'm just going to quickly brown the chicken thighs. Now, ordinarily, I might skip this step. However, browning does add more flavor, so that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, so I've added 2 tablespoons of oil and 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter. So after just a few minutes of cooking, I'm gonna flip the chicken over and brown the other side. So just an FYI, I am not trying to fully cook the chicken at this point here. I just want to get a nice sear on the chicken and some browning in the bottom of the pot. And next I'm going to saute the vegetables, okay, for about 3 minutes. Then I'm going to add a splash of water to deglaze the pot, get all of those good brown bits up. Now I'm going to pour in my cream of celery soup mixture. I'm going to add the chicken on top of those vegetables and that celery soup. I am going to pressure cook this chicken. It's going to be very flavorful, very juicy, very tender when done. So as y'all can see, I'm using a power quick pot. Okay, so you can use an instant pot if you don't have this type of pressure cooker. That's totally fine. I'm going to set this to pressure, high heat, and I'm going to cook this for 35 minutes. Okay, I want that chicken to fall off the bone, so I'm going to do 35 minutes. Now while that cooks, I'm going to rinse off 2 cups of jasmine rice, and I'm going to use my cute little rice cooker that my husband bought me. I love this rice cooker, y'all. It takes only about 15 minutes and it makes the perfect rice, like perfect. So I'm going to spread this out in my casserole dish. The rice was very fluffy. It was perfect, okay? And as I told you all, this is a lazy chicken and rice recipe. So it's effortless, time-saving recipe. So I'm utilizing that rice cooker and the pressure cooker, okay? Now, I'm just going to simply lay the chicken on top like this. The chicken was done in 35 minutes. As you saw, that was the time that I set for the pressure cooker, and the chicken came out very good and very tender. Now, in case you're wondering if you can make this recipe in your oven, of course you can make it in the oven, and I will link the video for the oven recipe up above. Okay, so here's the gravy in the pot. I did add a little cornstarch in here just to thicken it up a little bit. This is going to be served over the rice, okay? And I also saved a piece of the chicken to show y'all how juicy and tender this chicken is. It looks very good. It was full of flavor, y'all. It's so easy to make, okay? I surely hope that you guys will try this recipe, and if you do, I want you to come back and let me know how your food turned out. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please be sure to click the like button on your way out if you enjoyed this video, and I hope to catch you in my next one. Bye.